Welcome again. So here is the next experiment, determination of the moment of inertia and oscillation due to gravity using the Biefler pendulum. So what is the Biefler? Here you can see the experimental setup for the Biefler pendulum, in which we have this plate, metallic block, you can say rectangular metallic block with a pair of screw, suspension string, vertical rigid support on which it is hanging right now, one stopwatch and a scale. So these are the basic requirements, the apparatus required for completing this experiment. Let me show you the lab manual for this particular experiment. Here is the lab manual for this experimental setup. So in this we will determine the moment of inertia and the oscillation due to gravity. Basically for that we require to observe the length of the rectangular slab, and then we will note down the time period for a particular distance or the length of the string. Here you can see, so the length for this, we may observe that it is how much the length is. Okay. So the length of the string is 43 centimeter, and this we may also, let me observe and then note down. So this is our first length, 43 centimeter. So that we have noted down, and for that we will twist this slab like this, and then we will note down the time taken to complete the 20 oscillations by our stopwatch. Here we have our stopwatch, and let me note down the complete observational data. So first position you have seen, and this is the second position in which we will note down the time period. So let us again make a twist and then note down the time taken to complete the 20 oscillations. So these are the observations that we noted down by this experimental setup. We have noted down the time taken to complete the 20 oscillations, and then mean of the two trials we have taken in LD phase and in LB phase. Two phases we have changed for this Biefler pendulum, and we have noted down the time period. So now simply you need to make the calculation part again similarly as in rest of the experiments you are doing, and you will get your result for the moment of inertia of this bar and the oscillation due to the gravity by putting the values in these formulas given over there. So thank you all.